Here is how to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. So I'll tell you two ways. And for the latest version of Instagram, vanish mode is also called as disappearing messages. If you want to turn off, let's see. Open your Instagram. So go to the chat, and if you press and swipe up, you can turn on disappearing messages. And you can see you have turned on disappearing messages, and new messages will be disappeared once everyone has seen. And again, if you swipe up, you can turn off disappearing messages. The other way is that click on the profile on top. You can see here option disappearing messages, and you have three different options. Once they are seen tells you about if the message you sent they have seen, and that will disappear, and 24 hours and 7 days after they have seen, within 24 hours it will disappear. For 7 days, within 7 days that will disappear. These are the options for disappearing messages, and if you don't want, click on off. Then disappearing messages or vanish mode will be off. Thank you.